Welcome everyone. No matter who you are, a student, working professional, entrepreneur, creator, or a business leader, one thing is becoming very clear. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It's already changing the way we work, create, learn, market, sell, and even think. And the biggest mistake that people can make today is believing AI is only for programmers or tech experts. It is not. AI is becoming a life skill. Just like the internet changed the world 20 years ago, AI is now creating another massive shift. And the people who understand it early will have the huge advantage in the years ahead. That's exactly why I created this masterclass. My goal is very simple: to make AI easy, practical, and useful for everyone. So in this session, I'm not going to confuse you with complicated technical jargon or coding-heavy explanations. Instead, I will make you understand what AI actually is, how it works in simple language, how industries are using it right now, the tools you can start using immediately, and most importantly, how you can stay relevant and grow in the AI-driven world. Because AI will not replace people, but the people using AI will definitely outperform the people who do not. So whether you're here to learn, grow your career, build a business, create content, improve productivity, or simply stay ahead of the curve, you are in the right place. Welcome to the masterclass. Let's begin.